My daddy made this beat.
Sorry, it's all over the place. One of the reasons why I got this. Y'all see that? So y'all see how I'm gonna be coming this coming year. See how I'm gonna be coming this coming year. Do y'all see how I'm gonna be coming for y'all this coming year with this YouTube content, YouTube car content? Y'all see? I wasn't playing. Y'all see what they say? Y'all see that? Yeah. So, and this is just a small step up. I know this is not like, oh, wow, great camera or whatever like that, but the little action stuff I got planned for y'all and the other little videos that I got planned for y'all, this is definitely be good to have. I do also still plan on getting like a vlogging camera. I'm a camera guy, so I want the expensive shit, so sometimes you gotta wait, it's a process. And I'm not one of those to cheap out like, oh, I'm gonna get this while I wait. Like, nah. I want what I want, so I just grind it, however y'all wanna say it, thug it out. And get what I really want. Cause if I get something I really don't want, then I might mistreat it. It might not treat it right, might break it, Might not care about it like that. You lose it. But when I really wait and get what I really want, and I'm gonna treat it good. It's gonna last a long time. Y'all see all this? Got an extra mic. Yes, sir. Y'all see how I'm coming? Y'all see how I'm coming? Got the little battery, the mic. Y'all see how I'm coming? So we definitely gonna be downloading that right there. But I think that's pretty much it. Ain't nothing else under this. Yeah, that's it. But yeah. Y'all see how I'm coming? There. The battery. I think this is a little extra battery. The extendo battery they was talking about. Got the mod case. Extra GoPros right there. And then I'm gonna cut this video. This is the unboxing part, and then this video is gonna continuate. And I'm gonna have the footage of what the GoPro look like. So stay tuned. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. This is Car Guru with another one. I just have to give y'all a quick little unboxing update on how I'm coming. Don't be gay now. For the new year. Before the new year actually, but we just gonna, yeah. The Black Friday deals was popping. I had to go ahead and give me that. Yeah. Got the latest GoPro Hero 12 Creator. This is Hero Black. Because I'm black. Anyway, no, I'm playing with y'all. Yeah, but the Creator Edition. GoPro 12 Black Creator Edition. Y'all see what it come with, all the knick-knack paddywhacks. I definitely will be giving y'all a review of what I think about it, how it is, how it's working for me, and then in the upcoming videos. But just know these next car videos is gonna be lit, and for y'all who's following me and stay tapped in, I need y'all to go over to my community tab on my YouTube page and take that survey. Which car do y'all think or do y'all want to see on the channel? Go over there, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't watched the latest video. But then go over to the community community tab, and let me know what car y'all want to see on the channel. So again, thank you for watching. This video continues, so check y'all out in a second.
The energies, I'm a real wizard. Tapped into the ethers, high to the future. High.
What's the deal, y'all? Car Guru back with another one. So, damn. I'm gonna just keep this all in the video, but whatever. Like you already seen in the video, got the new latest GoPro 12 Black Series Creator Edition. I just wanted to give y'all a little video of what it looked like. The first part of the video was on my phone. Y'all saw the unboxing. And now y'all get to see. Right now I got it on the 1080p. I believe it could do up to 4K. But yeah, man. Y'all see how I'm coming? Supposed to be going to the LA Auto Show today, so I should have some more footage for y'all, but let's get y'all a little view on what the Mero looking like. I always try to keep the engine bay somewhat clean. I see you got that big 92mm throttle body on there. Like I've been showing y'all, I got the radiator and the air box, everything buttoned up. Just gotta get the lower radiator hose and a couple other things, but this thing should be going off to get finished up. So I am and will be finishing up the brakes in a couple weeks, and I'm gonna re-hit them, change these out. But let's see, we got the Bilstein. The Bilstein's in the back right now. Still ain't put the fronts on yet. But yeah, I'm liking the camera so far. Like the little mic setup. The inside of the car, I'm gonna have to go ahead and clean it again. Some spiders and made some holes. I'm gonna have to go ahead and boot them out. They ain't been paying on rent, so it's time to go. Other than that, y'all see how I'm coming. Y'all see how I'm coming. This year's coming with these cameras. These with the GoPro. Let me know if y'all like it better than the phone. So I guess I'll check y'all out next time. Later on today, I don't know when I will be dropping the videos from the LA Auto Show, but stay tuned for that. And like I said, go to that community tab on the YouTube page and go ahead and take that survey for me. What car do y'all want to see on the channel? Y'all gonna see this one. That's already given. I'm talking about a car that I'ma drive every day. The Maxima, man, took a shit on me. Radiator, thermostat went out. Didn't have the time to fix it, so I took it to the dealership. Ooh, they hit your boy. Shit was expensive, but it's time to get another car. I want something with a V8 that'll have me smile while I'm driving. Not really tripping about gas right now, even though gas in California is high. So, like I said, check her all out on the next one. See y'all next time.
I just think that I got it, I get it.